Ifeanyi Arthur Okowa is a Nigerian politician who is the governor of Delta State. He was inaugurated as a governor on 29 May 2015 after winning the state elections conducted in April 2015. Before his governorship, he was elected senator for Delta North Senatorial District in Delta State, Nigeria, in the April 2011 national elections. He ran on the People's Democratic Party platform. He is an Ika from Owa-Alero in Delta State, Nigeria. He is also the first person from Anioma to clinch the governorship position of Delta State. He was re-elected as the governor of Delta State on May 29, 2019. On 16 June 2022 he was picked by Atiku Abubakar the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party as his running mate for the 2023 election. Okowa was born at Owa-Alero in Ika Northeast local government area of Delta State. He attended Edo College Benin City, then went on to the University of Ibadan, where he studied medicine and surgery, graduating in 1981 with an MBBS degree. After leaving the National Youth Service Corps, he worked with the Bendel State Hospital's Management Board as a medical officer. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.